Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your teacher, as you know. I'm delighted to be here with you all. In this video, I'm going to teach you about some sentences that can help you to practice your linking in English. Salut tout le monde, et ça c'est professeur anglais pour là, bienvenue sur chaîne YouTube Noah. Et je dis à nous très content là avec vous. Nous allons enseigner vous et quelques phrases comment vous capable pratiquer et liaison one anglais. How to practice your linking in English. So stay tuned, I'll be back. Now I'm back to you guys. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for the upcoming video. Pas oublier et quitter un like et abonner avec la chaîne là pour encourager nous avec le travail ça qu'il a faire. Je dis à nous allons enseigner linking in English. Linking in English. Linking in English. You know, linking is a way to connect words in English. Liaison, hein, c'est une façon comment vous capable de connecter mots ensemble. Vous connecter mots ensemble, ou bien relier, ou bien faire, ça une liaison. That is liaison. Linking. Linking in English. Now I make linking. I say linking in English. Linking in English. I don't say linking in English. No, I don't say that. I say linking in English. Linking in English. Okay? Now, ça c'est ça nous allons enseigner où je dis pas oublier abonner pour toujours être connecté avec la chaîne nous et voyez amis, voyez famille venir abonner avec la chaîne nous. Okay, now let's get the ball rolling. On va commencer. Première phrase là c'est ou doit lire sans que ou pas pause. Okay? You must read it without pauses. Okay? How often do we check our word in a dictionary? Do you remember? Do you understand what I'm saying? Est-ce qu'on comprend ça me dire? La moi dit vite, mais yon beginner a vu dans la ligne, yon monde qui fait débuter la ville. How often do you check our word in our dictionary? No, I don't say that. It's not good. You must read it like on native speakers. Ou de lire même avec un natif. Ok? C'est ça moi-même là pour aider vous à avancer plus vite. It's not often, it's because the letter F is silent. It's often. Often. Okay? Often. Often. No, it's not the letter F, it's the letter T. The letter T is silent. This T is not pronouncing. Okay? C'est ça, il va prononcer. I don't say often, I say often. Often. Okay? Often. It's the letter T is silent. Okay? Let's say ça, il va prononcer. I say, how often do you check out in a dictionary? I say check off. Mbadi check off. Ndi check off. Check out when enough. Check out when enough. Check out when enough. What would you tell this one? Lié. Check avec O, the letter A, and when enough. Check out when enough. Dictionary. C'est liaison, hein, qui fait partie pour. On m'a dit qu'on va faire ça, on t'a dit au monde parler. On a dit, how often do you check out in a dictionary? Combien de fois vous checkez au monde dictionnaire? Check out when enough. Check out when enough. Là où lié tout, mots ça ensemble. Check out when enough. Dictionary. How often do you check out when in a dictionary? Combien de fois vous checkez au mot dans le dictionnaire? And thirdly is, she works 10 hours a week. She works 10 hours a week. Or she works 4 hours a week. 4 hours a week. 4 hours off. Ouais, on va faire liaison. 4 hours off. 4 hours off. 4 hours off. 4 hours off. 4 hours a week. She works 4 hours a week. She works 4 hours a week. Là, on va faire 4 hours off. 4 hours off. 4 hours off. C'est du travail pendant 4 temps. Non, c'est bien. She works 4 hours a week. She works 4 hours a week. She works 4 hours a week. It's because we got she. She works, it's not work. She works 4 hours a week. Or you can say 10 hours a week. Okay? Now, after we got, please call me back. Please call me back. Please call me back. I'm on a trade. I'm on a trade. Badi, I am on a trade. Badi, I am on a trade. I say, I'm on a trade. I'm on a trade. Please call me back. I'm on a trade. Really, my friend? That's the word. Please call me back. I'm on a trade. I'm on a trade. Okay? After we got, I don't see the driver. can you give him a call? Est-ce que vous pouvez dire, can you give him a? Can you give him a call? Can you give him a? Give him a. Give him a. I don't say give him a call. I say, I don't see the driver. Can you give him a call? Mba ouais, chauffeur non? Est-ce qu'on est capable de le pour moi? Can you give him a call? Est-ce qu'on est capable de le? I don't see the driver. Can you give him a call? I say give him up. Give him up. Give him a call. I don't see the driver. Can you give him a call? Okay, mba di, I don't see the driver. Can you give him a call? Mba di sa. You must read it like all native speakers. I don't say I don't see the driver. Can you give him a call? I don't say that. But I say, I don't see the driver. Can you give him a call? Yeah, I don't see the driver. Can you give him a call? Mpa ouais, chauffeur, est-ce qu'on est capable de le pour moi? I don't see the driver. Can you give him a call? I say give him up. Give him up. Give him. I don't say give him up. I say give him a call. And then after we got this sentence, you must read it without pauses. Ou dwe li san ke ou patos. La, wan liye mo. Ou gal fe liye man. I say, do you remember the time when Anahin and me fell into the swimming pool? Est-ce qu'on est capable de dire comme ça? Now, you must go slow and then after go fast. I say, do you remember the time when Anahin and me fell into the swimming pool? Est-ce qu'on songeait? Est-ce qu'on songeait? Les Sahara, les Anna avec AMI, t'es tombé dans bassin. This is a question and I put the interrogation mark. Okay? I say, do you remember the time when Anahin and me fell into the swimming pool? Yeah, you must read it like all native speakers. Don't say, do you remember that time when Anna and Ami fell into the swimming pool? I don't say that. But you must read it like all native speakers. I say, do you remember the time when Anahin and me fell into the swimming pool? Do you remember the time when Anahin and me fell into the swimming pool? Est-ce qu'on songeait les Sahara, les Anna avec Ami t'es tombé dans bassin? Do you remember the time when Anahin and me fell into the swimming pool? Yeah, you must read it like that. Do you remember the time when Anahin and me fell into the swimming pool? I don't say fell, I say fell. Do you remember the time when Anahin and me fell into the swimming pool? In Hemi, okay? But you can replace Hannah in Hemi by another name, but I don't know, okay? Do you remember the time when Anahin and me fell into the swimming pool? You must read it without fuzz. I already say that. And then after we got, she bought a really nice wet dress last week. She bought, oh, give me the beat. She bought a really nice red dress last week. No, you make link in here and you make link in red dress. I don't say red. In the dress, but the red. In the dress, in the red dress last week. She bought a really nice red dress last week. Li te acheté yon belle robe semaine dernière, okay? She bought a really nice red dress last week. And the last sentence is, that's what I thought. And because we got TH sound, that's what I thought. I don't say, that's what I thought. No. You must make the linking with Lyezon. That's what I thought. Yeah. Do you think if the teacher, or do you think if I was coming to teach you today, est-ce que vous pensez que bien enseigner aujourd'hui? Ou capable de dire, oh yeah, that's what I thought. Oui, c'est ça me dépenser. Okay? That's what I thought. Now, let's make a review for you. The first one was, how often do we check a word in a dictionary? She works for a rosary, or she works in a rosary. Please call me back. I'm on a trade. But I'm on off. I say I'm on a trade. Please call me back. I'm on a trade. And then after we got, I don't see the driver. Can you give him a call? I don't say, can you give him a call? Can you give him a can you give him a call? I don't see the driver. Can you give him a call? Okay? And after we got, do you remember the time when Anna and Amy fell into the swimming pool? Est-ce qu'on songe les Anna avec Amy t'est tombé dans le bassin? This is a question I put there in interrogation mark. I say, do you remember the time when Anna and Amy fell into the swimming pool? Ou doit dire ça ou pas poser parce qu'il n'y a pas de virgule, okay? Do you remember the time when Anna and Amy fell into the swimming pool? And then after we got, she bought a really nice wet dress last week. She bought a really nice wet dress last week. She bought a really nice wet dress last week. She bought a really nice wet dress last week. Okay, that's what I thought. That's what I thought. That's what I thought. That's what I thought. Okay, now that's all for today. C'est tout ça que je dis. Je dis à nous avec quelques petits phrases pour comment on est capable de pratiquer liaison en anglais, comment on se lier mots ça pour vous former une liaison. Nous sommes très contents là avec vous. It was a pleasure to be present with you in this lesson. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for the upcoming video. I don't want you to miss any other videos on this channel. Malgré vous manquer 10 vidéos n'importe pour sur channel ça. It was a pleasure to be present. Memorize this lesson. Practice these sentences to improve your language in English.